Meaning of engrave.
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 Engrave. Engrave refers to the process of carving or cutting a design or pattern into a hard surface such as metal, wood, or stone. The end result of engraving is a permanent and detailed impression which can be used for decorative or functional purposes. Engraved designs can range from simple text to complex artwork, and the precision of modern engraving techniques allows for intricate details to be achieved. The resulting engraved surface may also have a tactile quality, adding an additional dimension to the visual impact of the finished piece.